Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mrs. English Studio. I'm your host, Jessica, and today we have a fun and festive topic. We're going to talk about Christmas, what it is, how people celebrate it, and useful English phrases you can use during the holiday season. And of course, Sam is here with us. Hi, Sam.
Hi, Jessica. Hi, everyone listening. I'm excited because Christmas is one of my favorite times of the year. There are so many traditions, activities, and special phrases we can talk about today.
Exactly! And today's episode will be a simple, slow, real English conversation perfect for beginners and also useful for intermediate learners. So, Sam, let's start with the basics. What is Christmas?
Christmas is a holiday celebrated on December 25th. Many people celebrate it for religious reasons, but many others enjoy it as a cultural holiday, spending time with family, giving gifts, and enjoying good food.
Yes, and even people who don't celebrate Christmas enjoy the decorations, the music, and the happy atmosphere.
Exactly. For many people, Christmas is about kindness, sharing, and being together.
A very warm and cozy holiday. Sam, what are some common Christmas traditions?
There are many. One big tradition is putting up a Christmas tree. Families decorate the tree with lights, ornaments, and sometimes a star on top.
Yes, I love decorating the tree. It's so relaxing. What else?
People also exchange gifts. They wrap presents and put them under the Christmas tree.
And sometimes children believe in Santa Claus, right?
Yes, Santa Claus is a fun part of Christmas for kids. They believe Santa brings gifts on Christmas Eve.
Another tradition is Christmas dinner. Many families cook a big meal like roast chicken, turkey, mashed potatoes, vegetables, and desserts.
Yes, and let's not forget Christmas music. People listen to songs like Jingle Bells, Silent Night, and We Wish You a Merry Christmas.
And many people watch Christmas movies too.
Exactly. Movies like Home Alone, Elf, and The Christmas Chronicles.
Sam, what do you personally like most about Christmas?
I love the atmosphere. Everything feels warm and happy. I also enjoy spending time with my family. What about you?
For me, it's the decorations. I love seeing all the lights on houses and streets. And I love Christmas cookies.
Oh yes, Christmas cookies are amazing. Gingerbread cookies, chocolate cookies.
And hot chocolate.
Exactly. Christmas food is always comforting.
Do you remember your favorite Christmas memory?
I do. One year, it snowed a lot. My family and I built a snowman, drank hot chocolate, and watched movies all day. It was simple, but perfect.
That sounds wonderful. Now let's teach our listeners some useful English phrases for Christmas.
Great idea.
Phrase number 1. Merry Christmas. This is the most common greeting.
Phrase number 2. Happy holidays. This is more general and works for everyone.
Phrase number 3. Did you get all your Christmas shopping done? People say this when talking about buying gifts.
Phrase number 4. Are you spending Christmas with your family? A very common question.
Phrase number 5. Do you have any Christmas plans?
And one more. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. A polite and friendly wish.
Sam, what activities can people do during Christmas?
Oh, many things. People can decorate their home, bake cookies, wrap gifts, watch Christmas movies, go ice skating, or visit Christmas markets.
Yes! Christmas markets are so beautiful. Lights, music, hot drinks, handmade gifts.
Also, some people like to take photos with Christmas decorations or snow.
And many families play games together or read Christmas stories. Now let's practice. Listeners, you can answer out loud or in your mind. Question 1. Do you celebrate Christmas? How?
Question 2. What is your favorite Christmas food?
Question 3. Do you like Christmas movies or Christmas music?
Question 4. What gift would you like to receive this year?
Great job, everyone! Well, that brings us to the end of today's episode. We hope this conversation helped you learn new vocabulary and enjoy the holiday spirit.
Yes, and even if you don't celebrate Christmas, these expressions and conversations are useful for understanding English culture.
Thank you for listening to Mrs. English Studio. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English practice.
And we wish you
Merry Christmas! See you in the next episode. Bye.